morning we're off to support our friend Addison. He's running a marathon, the Osaka Yodo-River Citizens Marathon. 日本語なんですか？
何が？大阪淀川マラソン。
Note to self, don't bike with a manual focus lens.
Sure.
Spiritual gangster. You know, baseball is, I think, the most popular sport in Japan.
So now we are here.
So maybe we can catch him at the halfway. Alright, so it ends up that we actually thought we were going to the start, but it was the halfway point. But, bro, we'll find you.
It's I think it's a different version of one of my favorite drinks.
Hi, ganbatte.
Is that the
Yeah!
It's a golden retriever, I ran too fast.
You got this, dude!
Thank you!
That's good.
My legs are in pain, but
Yeah.
dude, I basically ran like 160 BPM and up the whole time because I was so like nervous. Yeah, did you guys like find it okay?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, good. Dude, we'll see you at the end, man.
Yeah, bro, love you, brother.
Alright, love you too. Woo! Okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's great.
Like 2 hours.
「声を聞きたいと思いますので前にお越しになって」今のお気持ちをですね全世界に向かって
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Oh,
It's so good.
I have nothing left but Jesus. Jesus is my greatest treasure. I was just smiling at everybody, and I was singing and I was praising, and I got to share about Jesus with people.